What is up, everybody? It's your boy ScrapeProductions here. Today is gonna be the day we finally do the clutch job on the Subaru. It's 7:38 in the morning on a Saturday, but when this video drops, it'll probably be like Monday, Tuesday. So today's Saturday, 7:38 in the morning, and I need some coffee. I'm tired. I'm sick. So. Can't forget the camera bag. And we can't forget the most important part, the clutch. Whew. Let's do a cold start real quick. Alright, what's up, guys? I am back. As you can tell, I am more awake than this morning. It was 7:38 in the morning. I was very tired, but we are back. We just got back from installing springs and doing a brake job on an AMG Mercedes. But we're back to do this clutch job, and got my awesome dad over here to help us. So first things first is we're gonna drain antifreeze, and we're gonna take all the hoses off and everything, take radiator and fans out, and then after that take all the connectors and stuff around the engine, and hope to take the whole engine in one piece. That way we can access to clutch, flywheel, all that. And Dad's done this, you know, a bunch of times. This is his garage that he works in, so thanks for him, and thanks for the boss for letting us use this. So we got the lift and stuff to make everything easier, but we're out here working on it, and we'll get some more clips and stuff and walk you through how to do a clutch job on a, well, I would say 2008 to 2014 Subaru WRX if you're looking to do it yourself. So. Alright, so always disconnect the battery. Negative side is cool, so disconnect the battery, that way we don't have any power, because we are at the starter. Right now my dad's removing the starter, and we'll get to the transmission bolts here in a bit. Dang, this thing hasn't stopped draining, but we'll get to the transmission bolts here in a bit. So we're moving the starter, transmission bolts, and then we'll go to the top We're gonna take the all the connections and stuff out, and probably be easier to take the top mount intercooler to get to the starter and be able to take it out. And motor should be out, and we'll get to the clutch and everything. Right there's the starter already unhooked and everything. So here's my downpipe, my crispy exhaust all the way back, and this is basically what I'm running right now. I do want to get it done, maybe a single exit, or maybe a single exit over here, who knows, maybe dual exits like the no name mufflers. But 14 millimeter bolts. The starter bolts, what size were they? 14 millimeter bolts on the starter. So you need a 14 for those bolts, and then alright, so we got done taking the bottom bolts of the downpipe, the back, basically the cat back SPT exhaust. Now we're moving up top to remove top mount intercooler, turbo cover, and then probably take the starter out, and then remove the rest of the downpipe, and start taking off all the hoses and everything. We'll probably get the radiator out. So hoses, radiator, turbo cover, top mount intercooler, rest of the downpipe, and harness and motor will be out. So. Alright, so we're back on the car. Radiator's out. We took the belts off right here. That way they won't get contaminated with oil. We took airbox out. Starters right here. We took these hoses off, and we actually marked these hoses with basically kind of marker. If you can see that. There's an orange line right there. And we marked the other line with the orange marker as well. That way we don't get them mixed up. But now he's working on getting the other training bolts off. We got the downpipe basically ready to just come out. And if you can see right there, engine and transmission is basically separated. So top mount intercooler, we got the cover off to get to the bolts. Took the top mount intercooler to get to the rest of the training bolts, and we already loosened up the engine mount bolts. So this engine is almost ready to come out, so it's looking pretty good. It's been easy. We've probably been at it for about 45 minutes, maybe not even, so we've been doing pretty good. And I'm probably gonna go hold it for him so he can take the oxygen sensor off. So alright, so there's the downpipe. It's a 3-inch catted downpipe. It's divorced. Yeah, you know, NVIDIA high performance downpipe. No fake parts, no eBay stuff, you know what I mean. So probably gonna thinking about maybe doing like a little ceramic coat, and then putting the exhaust wrap on it. And then as soon as I get headers, I want to go equal length headers. I don't know yet, but we'll see what happens. But I want to go equal length headers and wrap that exhaust as well, and should be looking pretty good. Got the engine hoist over here for the engine to come out. We got LS1 over here. What motor is that? Hammy motor. We got the rotary 13B. I don't know if you can see that. 13B motor. So we got a lot of engines over here at my dad's work, so it's pretty cool. He does a bunch of stuff. If you're local, A1 Muffler. They're pretty cool. They're good guys. Make sure you ask for Martin, my dad, to work on your vehicle. So he'll get it done. He'll get it done right. So having fun. There's new wheels, Inky, RPF1s, 225, 45, 18s. So, loving it so far. After a little bit of wiggling, motor's basically off the car. Still gotta disconnect basically the engine away from tranny, but she's pulled up. Now we can try to wiggle it out and motor would be pulled. So, that's how it's looking so far. Didn't really like that, but oh well. Don't really see anything over here. I see this right here. Oxygen sensor. Okay. See it?
Savage.
Destroyed.
Se tronó. No la habíamos trozado, está bien. Para abajo.
Okay.
Está atorando en las birlos.
What? There. There she goes. Motor is coming out. Hits. You good? Yeah, I'd say clutch is done. So what do you say? Say it's gone? Would you say that's gone?
Right.
Clutch?
This.
Gone?
Motor is gone.
Should just go ahead and change the block to an IAG block.